is why I don't like running my generator. It's kind of loud. I have it on because I need to get this slide out. And there's like no battery power, but it's loud. I'm gonna have to check it. It's an Onan. I unplugged from the house because the house wire got really hot and my air conditioner stopped. Actually, I'm gonna go in now. I hope I don't pull too much draw on this thing. It should be fine because it's part of the generator, but no, my power's on. Let me see if I can get my air to turn on again, but I'm just gonna turn it to like fan. My fan's going. I'm trying to get that off. All right, well, at least I have power. I hung the other lights. I hung that light in there, and then I hung this one right there. And then the other one just away, so I gotta get this slide out. Oh, all right, let's get the slide out. I gotta clean the slides.
So we turned the generator on. It's not too loud, fortunately. We tried to plug in with the house cord, and it was just a little too hot. So now using the generator and putting the slide out, because I think today she's going to be oiling those slides so that we can maintain them a little bit better so that they slide in and out quicker. And it looks like it's working just fine. Came right out. So that should be pretty easy to work on today. And you can hear the generator. It's really not that loud. Okay.
Hey! Sorry it's loud. This is my slide, and I'm going to just clean them real quick today. Put some stuff on them. I'll film that. And I have to get these bars up down here. I might have to let the generator run for a little bit and then turn it off. I don't know. It's so loud. Okay, so I have these 3-in-1. This is the slide out silicone lube, and this is the rubber conditioner. So I'm going to read the directions on these, but basically you just spray them on the slide and it makes it work a little bit better. So I will read the directions and let you know what I'm gonna do. So it looks like this one is the one I kind of clean it with, and then this is kind of the one I condition it with. That's why it's called conditioner. So this one goes first, the green can's first, and then the copper can is second. Okay, so I'm gonna use this, and this goes under this motor part down here. I'll show you when I get down there, but it's really loud, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my generator because I also don't want to be down there with my generator running. I don't like this. Okay, spraying in there, spraying up on this track. Should be it for that side. Coming around to the other side. I am soaking wet because I'm in grass. That's wet. But spraying down in there. Hitting this track. So that looks like it for the other side. Get it all lubed up. Okay. Probably messy, but this stuff's pretty good. I'm a mess. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. I already did underneath here with the slide lube. This is the rubber care conditioner. So what you're supposed to do, please don't let me fall, is wipe this down like this. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And then you just spray into here, all the way down. You're supposed to wipe off any excess because I think it does stuff to your RV. Messes up your paint or something. And you're supposed to do it on the inside as well. But this is what you do. And then I go to the other side and we'll be all lubed up. Okay, so I'm in the RV now. I have to pull the slide back in and then I can lube the other side. I got the generator running right now. Can you hear it? I don't have anything else running. I'm just gonna get the slide back in and I'm gonna finish up lubing and then we will go from there. But yeah, this has been actually pretty easy. I'm interested to see how it's going to sound when I slide it back in, so I will film the sliding end of the slide out. Okay, hopefully the slide out will come back in. Here's the button. My generator's on. Here's my slide out, and I'm gonna slide it back in. So push this button. I can hear it. It's coming towards us. It doesn't sound as rattly as it normally does, but I have to get into these inner seals. I'll show you where they are. We're getting there. Okay, we are all the way in. I'll still leave my generator running. And then I have to get back in here and hit up these seams like I did in the last ones. But I have to be a little bit more careful because I don't want to mess up my walls. All right, so it's kind of hard to get in here. I'm just gonna hit this up really fast, very quickly. And I'm doing it without my camera from here on. But you get the idea. You just put this in this seal right here and then wipe it off with a towel when you're done. I'm getting it. I went all the way down there. That was hard to get into too. The other one's by the bathroom over here. I think that's gonna be kind of hard to get into as well. But we'll do it, we'll make it happen. Okay, this one was actually a little bit easier to get into, but I'm gonna wipe off this excess. Sorry, it's dark down there. You can see still some down there, but that's what that looks like, and that's how far out our slide goes on the inside. But we are all the way in now. Just a couple more things I need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this generator off now. Probably not a good thing to only leave it running for so long, but I don't wanna make my neighbors mad. And my slide's in. So we're gonna hit the stop button. So my generator ran for a little bit, maybe 30 minutes total. Here's my battery. It says my battery's good, but I promise you it's not. I gotta look into something else. We have that balder, so I'll show you the balder next. So just a quick side note, this is the one that you use first. This is the one that goes on the gears, the things that roll underneath, not on the rubber. And then these are the ones, this is the one that goes on the rubber on the inside and the outside of the RV. And I do like how you can spray these. And actually, if you have this straw down, you can spray it and a big spray will come out, but I just kind of kept it tight. So that's how that goes. I'm pretty happy with it so far. They certainly weren't as loud